Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be reading a book called Naughty Ninja Takes by Todd Tarpley, illustrated by Vin Vogel. So let's begin. Naughty Ninja emerged from the jungle after a long day of training. He was covered with river mud, smelly leaves, and beetle dung. Flies buzzed around him. Crossing one last raging river in his backyard, he entered his secret ninja training camp. "Naughty Ninja needs food," he announced. "You will," said Dad. "You first need a bath, and then we'll have ninja nuggets for lunch," Mom added. "Now, Will, you're going to take a bath," calmly said Dad. "And whatever you do, you're not going to say ninja to the rescue. Whenever you say that, something bad happened." But Naughty Ninja wasn't paying attention. The flies had been buzzing around him, were now buzzing around Dad. Naughty Ninja suddenly realized they were wild, poisonous flies from the jungle. He quickly hatched a plan. "Don't say ninja to the rescue," pleaded Dad. "Don't say ninja to the rescue." "Ninja to the rescue!" shouted Naughty Ninja. "No!" cried Dad in slow motion. "No!" But Naughty Ninja was too fast. Bah! Naughty Ninja wondered why Dad was in the bathtub with his clothes still on it. A wild, angry alligator must have pulled him in. "Is Ninja Dad okay?" he asked. "Ninja Dad does not want to be in the tub," said Dad, trying to sound calm. "Ninja Dad wants you in the tub." Naughty Ninja quickly hatched a plan. "Ninja to the rescue!" he shouted. "No!" Dad cried in slow motion, but Naughty Ninja was too fast. Water was everywhere, on the ceiling, on the walls, and all over the floor, but the coast was clear. Naughty Ninja had saved his dad. "Is Ninja Dad better now?" he asked. "Actually, no," said Dad, squeezing water from his clothes. "Ninja Dad is not better." Naughty Ninja wondered what Dad meant. Naughty Ninja had rescued him from wild, poisonous flies, a wild, angry alligator. If Dad was still in trouble, it could mean only one thing: invading samurai warriors. But Naughty Ninja had a plan. He grabbed a bottle of bubble bath. "Ninja to the rescue!" he shouted. "No!" cried Dad in slow motion, but Naughty Ninja was too fast. Bubbles quickly filled the tub and spilled onto the floor. In the matter of seconds, they filled the entire bathroom. "Run, Ninja Dad!" shouted Naughty Ninja. "Run!" Naughty Ninja jumped from the tub seat out to the sink and out of the door, with Bubbles close behind. Dad grabbed an armful of towels and ran after him. "Will, stop!" wailed Dad. "You're making a huge mess!" Then Dad slipped and landed on a towel and went sliding across the room. He bounced off the wall and then slid across the floor into the other direction. "Whoa!" Naughty Ninja thought that looked fun. "Whee!" He slid across the room around 4 walls, even the ceiling. "Yippee!" cried Dad, suddenly having fun. "Boys," cried Mom, "what have you done?" Naughty Ninja and Dad stopped and slowly pointed at each other. "Never mind who did that," said Mom, hugging them both. "Thank you for cleaning the house. It looks spotless." Naughty Ninja looked around the room. It was spotless. That soapy water had actually cleaned it up. "Well, you know what we ninjas like to say," Dad said, and winked at Will. Ninja to the rescue! Shouted Naughty Ninja, and once again the world was saved. At least for the next. If you enjoy this book, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!